Morning, out and about today, doing some installations, and just want to give you an idea of what I do in my day job. So this morning, just come to the flower shop in Bassett, Southampton. Just done a 3-terminal deal for them, moving them over from their previous provider and saving about 15% a year on fees. So we're just going to install the first terminal this morning. Just done the school run, so it's the first appointment of the day. So let's get it up and running. So we're all set up now, installed the Castles WiFi terminal. It's a really nice terminal actually, really easy to use. So it's connected to the Wi-Fi network, customer's happy. We've done some test transactions, on to the next one. Hi there, just a 10-minute drive. Just arrived at the second flower shop at the moment. So we're going to go in and install the next terminal. So I just installed another terminal for business in Chandlersford. These are nice terminals actually, nice big keypads, easy to use, and yeah, another install done. On to the next shop. It's a lovely day today. Next installation of the day here in Eastleigh, only 10 minutes drive from the last place, just at the flower shop. I'm just going to install the third terminal. So card terminal 3 is all done. Also set the customer up on the business resource centre with Evo, so they can access their statements and card transaction information, batch information, etc. And so that's that for today. Time's about 11 o'clock. So just gonna get back home office and catch up on the morning's work. So just checking up on some emails. Got a few things to do with regards to account management. I got a call in from a prospect customer who's looking for a store kit APOS system in Somerset, and they're setting up a sandwich shop. So they're looking for something to have in place in the next 3 weeks. So I need to get a quote to them. I'm just catching up on some emails. So although I've been out installing all day so far, there are emails and customer account inquiries to come back to. So just got to deal with a few of those, and then on to the next appointment. So just arrived home, had a really nice afternoon. I had a coffee with a charity in Southampton, seeing how we can work together. That was nice to have a bit of time off. Well, not time off, sort of just developing some more business relationships. Just back home now, so got all my emails and a few calls to make. So back to the home office. Okay, in the home office now. This is where the magic happens, and yeah, just going to crack on. So just done a really good call with a new seller, just coming on board from one of our competitors, who is getting a bit disillusioned and wants to earn a good residual income. So I just had a really good chat with him, very strong potential. And I've just signed up a artist in the New Forest who wants a Zettel account to take payments for their work. So that's great. That's a sale done for that one, and a potential new seller to join the team as well. So time's now 5:30. I'm finished for the day. Just got a little bit of admin to do, and then I'm gonna hit Fortnite with my 12-year-old. If you don't know what Fortnite is, look it up. It's something that a load of kids play, but I'm really into video gaming. So that's my downtime, bit of dinner, bit of family time, and we go again tomorrow. So hopefully you've had a good overview of what I do in my day, and thanks for your time.